The Peoria Humane Society has been blessing pets for 3 decades during an annual religious service at their Northeast Perry Avenue location. When the Humane Society first started holding this service, they put it on outside where their current building now stands. Community members brought their pets for a blessing, and animals from Peoria County Animal Protection Services got to join in as well.
We hope that people are celebrating the special love that they have for their pets and that special bond, and we also hope that people are recognizing that the animal shelter does great work, and so we're honoring them and we're blessing the animals.
The Blessing of the Animals is one of the events celebrating Animal Shelter Appreciation Week here in Peoria. The Humane Society encourages people who want to help shelter animals to volunteer or consider adopting a pet.